Class 10 children, today we will learn a new type of question from chapter 7, factor theorem, factorization. So it is question number 14 from the page 7-6 I have taken. Very interesting chapter and very easy chapter. So let us begin. Using the remainder theorem, factorize completely the following polynomial. So you have to factorize this expression polynomial. Factorize means which all factors can divide this particular expression. That means we have to factorize, and whenever there is degree of cube x cube, that means there will be 3 factors. So you have to know all those 3 factors. Had it been 4, there will be 4 factors, but no, in this chapter it is already told more than degree of 3 you cannot take. That means the highest degree is 3. So there will be 3 factors which we do not know at all, and we have to find all those 3 factors. So let us begin. So before we begin this question, it is very important we should do rough at the right hand side of the page. So what we should do is that write this polynomial or expression in the rough and start putting the value of x by yourself from 1. Like put first x equal to 1. If 0 comes, fine. If doesn't come, then x equal to -1. If 0 comes, fine. Otherwise again further you have to go x equal to 2. And if 0 comes, fine. If doesn't come, again -2. That means you have to put the value of x like this. First 1, then -1, 2, -2, 3, -3. And as soon as that 0 comes, you have to stop. So here you can see I have done same thing. The same expression I wrote here, and I began from x equal to 1. All the places of x is being occupied by 1. X cube means 1 cube. X square, 1 square. 19x, 19 into 1. So that way 1 cube is 1, 3 ones are 3, 1 square is 1, 2 ones are 2, 19 ones are -19 into 1, -19 plus 6. And all plus number I added, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 6, 11. 11 minus 19 is -8. 0 did not come. That means I have to take next 1, that means -1. I took -1. Same thing, -1 cube is -1. -1 square is +1. 3 ones are 3, -1s are 3, -3. 2 ones are 2. That way I did, and answer came 24. -3 plus 27. And 0 did not come. Then I moved next number 1, -1, now 2. When I put 2 here, x cube means 2 cube, x square means 2 square, 19x means 19 into 2, and that way you can see 2 cube is 8 in 8 3 is 24, 2 square is 4, 4 2 is 8, 19 2 is 38 plus 6. That way at the end what happened here, 24 plus 8 is 32, 32 plus 6, all plus number I am adding, 38. 38 minus 38 is alone, 38 minus 38 is 0. So when 0 comes, then what you need to do that? Same thing once again you have to do in the solution. This was rough. Now in solution what you do? Write fx equal to this expression. Write fx and same expression. Now as you all know, by putting 2 we get 0. So in place of x you write f2. In place of x, f2, and all the x will be occupied by 2. And at the end you know 0 will come because you have already done in the rough. So now what you do? X equal to 2, because we took x equal to 2. If this 2 comes this side, x minus 2 equal to 0, because this plus 2 comes this side, becomes -2. Had it been -2, it would become +2, but it is +2, it came this side, became -2, equal to 0. That means you have to make it 0, and then this x minus 2, now you can consider it is one of the factor of the given polynomial. There are 3 factors, so x minus 2 is the first factor. Hope children that the number which gave 0, from there we got the first factor of the given expression. Now next what you do? The same factor x minus 2, you can put it as divisor and write the same expression inside and then divide it. And definitely remainder will be 0, nothing, because you know x minus 2 is giving, x equal to 2 is giving 0. That means x minus 2 is a factor, and when you divide, remainder will be nothing, 0. So now how to divide is very important. Here there is 3x cube. and here there is x minus 2. You have to write such a number on the quotient upper part, that this will multiply with x and will give same 3x cube. So I saw here there is 3, here there is 1, 3 1s are 3, same 3 came. Here there is x and there is x square. X into x square is x cube. So by writing 3x square, I got 3x cube, same what I had. So I have to target this 3x cube and write such a quotient here that will multiply with the first x and will give the same 3x cube. And when I multiply for the first, second one is automatic. 3 2s are minus 6, minus here because minus into plus is minus. 3 2s are 6x square. Now I will subtract. After subtracting, what happens? Plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. So plus minus will get cancelled. To cancel only we were targeting to make them equal. Now this you have to do plus 2x square plus 6x square. It is no more minus, it is plus. It is plus 8x square. One more number will come down. Now same thing you do. Write quotient such a way that it multiplies with x and gives plus x is 8x square. Plus 8x square. So I wrote plus 8x. 8 into 1. 8 x into x. X square, 8x square. And second is automatic. Plus into minus. Minus 8 to the 16x. This one again I will subtract. Then plus will become minus and minus will become plus. It got cancelled. Now minus 19x plus 16x is minus 3x. Now last number to come down is plus 6. Now again targets the quotient such a way that you get minus 3x same here. So I wrote minus because minus into plus is minus. 3 1s are 3. 3 into x 3x and minus into minus is plus. 3 2s are 6. Now you can see minus became plus after subtraction, plus became minus, and they all got cancelled. Here I forgot to cancel. Actually they will cancel because same number plus and minus they cancel. Now this quotient you have to do middle term breaking, or I can say middle term splitting. Same quotient what I got here in the quotient, same quotient I wrote here, and then you have to do middle term splitting. You have learned middle term splitting in class 9. What we do, first and last number we multiply. First is 3, last is minus 3. 3 3s are minus 9. Now break the middle number such a way plus 8 that you get adding and subtracting you get plus 8. By multiplying you get same minus 9. You know in class 9 you have learned. Now what we do, plus 8 we can split plus 9 minus 1. Plus 9 minus 1 is plus 8. 9 1s are 9. Plus into minus is minus 9. So I got 8 also, I got minus 9 also. Such a way. Same thing. Plus 9 minus 1 I have to write in the middle term. So 3x square is same. Plus 8x I will write this way. Plus 9x and minus 1x. Minus 1 we don't write because automatic there is 1. And minus 3 is same. First and last is same. Middle term we have to split. Same 8x I have splitted this way. Now we take common from these two. 3x is common. And x plus 3 comes inside from this, and from this 2 minus 1 is common. Nothing is common means minus 1 is common, so x plus 3 comes, because when there is minus, this minus into minus is plus. So when we get same number in the bracket, think you are correct, and outside number you write in one bracket, and bracket number you put in one place. So these two are the another factors. So first one is x minus 2 is one factor, and second factor is x plus 3, third factor is 3x minus 1. You write all these three factors here. X minus 2 first one, x plus 2, x plus 3 second one. In ascending order you descending order you write, sorry, ascending order, and 3x minus 1 you write here are the required factors of the given polynomial. Now children, one more question in a very short way I will say. Same thing, you have to factorize this. So I did rough. Here good news was that in the first attempt itself, putting x equal to 1 only I got 0. So same work here, I wrote fx equal to same expression, and in place of x I wrote 1, and all the places of x were occupied by 1. I got 0 and I wrote x equal to 1. Then x1 comes this side, x minus 1 equal to 0. So x minus 1 is the one factor of the given polynomial. So x minus 1 is the first factor. Now I need to find two more. So what we did in the last question, same thing. X minus 1 you divide, you put in the divisor, and then divide the same expression here, and we got the quotient. At the end definitely you will get nothing, 0, and that quotient you do middle term breaking, and you get 2 more factors, and then write these 2 factors also you write, and the first factor was x minus 1, that also you write, and that way what happens, we get 3 factors. So children, doing rough and then coming to the fair part is very important. So I hope by seeing these 2 examples you will try to understand what I am saying. And one question I have given you as homework, do that question as homework. Please children, if you don't understand, repeat my video, and still if you don't understand, you can contact me in WhatsApp. Thank you children.